What's going on, guys? JP Trail. We don't really fuck around with Volkswagens out here. Puro troca. But today we're working on this Beetle. It's not even his, it's his girl's. Let me show you around. We got Doofus number 1 and Doofus 2. What are you doing, bud?
I'm letting the engine cool down because this thing's hella hot. Other than that, we're chilling. Alright guys, so the car was low-key kind of hot. I burned my fingers, so we're gonna take a break.
A few moments later.
We let the car cool down already, so it's not hot. But while we're taking a little break, I was taking this off. So as you can see, there's little clips right there. All you need to do is push them in. There's one there, one there, one there. It's in each one. But yeah, it pops off just like that after you finish with it. And then now that they're basically off, this comes off too. I think on older Mark V's it comes like this, like it's just this tape around everything. I could be wrong though. So yeah, now they're all free. So now we get this special tool that I got online.
Show them too.
We'll put the link in the description where I got it. And all you need to do is literally right there. There's two little holes right there. You just push it in. That's scary. Wait, hold on. Yeah, I think it's like that. Scariness. Oh. Should I be scared?
¿Está haciendo corto?
No. Alright, let me try this side. Oh, it's hot. Yeah, it should. Okay, it is unlocked. So, but you just need to push hard. Oh, the thing's breaking. It all broke. Look at that. Alright, so update. All these clips are cooked, so we're replacing all of them. Cause literally, as soon as I was pushing it through, it literally all broke. My girlfriend's gonna kill me. Alright, so yeah, all you need to do, so basically this tool just pushes it all out like that. And make sure you don't lose the order on what, make sure to take a picture. I should have probably mentioned that first. But that should be the way it goes because it literally just popped off like that. Alrighty, so now you just need the new clip. And then someone take that out, please.
You gotta do all that, come on. You don't gotta record me taking.
Garabi?
Oh, you never seen this shit before?
Gary Bay? The Packers?
You never seen it? The Raiders. The Raiders.
Alright, so all you need to do is unclip it. I guess it don't come all the way out. I guess the other ones were just so cooked that they came all the way out. But yeah, it's just that little pink tab right there. Maybe zoom in. Pink tab, slide it, and that shows that it's unlocked. Alrighty, so now we get our new clip, and I literally just placed the wires like this, just so they wouldn't get out of order. And you just put it in, slide it into the new ones. And I guess these are really common to go bad, because literally every Volkswagen has broken clips. Alrighty, one by one. Make sure you disconnect the battery too. You don't want to get electrocuted.
They're already halfway in. They're already electrocuted because this fool just mentioned that.
Disclaimer: use this at your own risk. Alright, yep, little by little. It's really tedious, but slowly but surely. There we go. You see that? All right. And then those are the little rubber grommets that go in. All right. Not embedded all the way yet.
You tap it.
Huh? Yeah. Alrighty. Yeah, it's just gonna take a little bit. It's gonna take a little bit force, but be careful because you don't want to mess one of these wires up. Because then
We can't hear you, boss.
that's a really big problem. And when you mess one of these wires up, you have to actually go to a shop.
Simon.
See no. Alrighty. Hold on. Got it. Alright, so we did 2 already. It takes a while to actually get them in. But same process again. You just stick this tool. It goes around the little pins right here. Make sure it's unlocked. That pin thing is unlocked. And these just keep breaking. Holy God. Yep, it just all broke again. Okay. It's okay because it makes it kind of a little bit easier, I guess. And then you want to untape this so you get more plug room. And these all go in the same order, which will probably put a picture right next to it. All right. But yeah, let me just make sure. Oh, the rubber came off of this instead. All right. Alright, it should come off now. And it didn't come off. Alright. You don't want that getting lost in your engine. Throw it away. Alrighty. You could feel it get pushed out. Oh, there you go. Oh my gosh, these are all horrible. And remember again, guys, disconnect your battery before doing this. Won't get electrocuted. Alrighty, and if you don't want to lose the order, which they came, there you go. And that just fell down the engine. Alrighty. So then we get our new clip. That didn't change the order in which it came in. New clips should already come on. Most of them were unlocked. I mean, all of them, the ones that we got, were unlocked. And it's easier to go from your left to your right. We noticed. So you just grab this.
Showing that the has to be facing up.
Huh?
The little pin right there, the locks in place, has to be facing up.
Oh yeah.
Going straight.
The locks right here, they need to be facing up in order for it to go straight and all the way in.
I don't know if I can get it. You see? So they can kind of see it.
It's literally, it looks like this, but in a metal form.
I don't know if I can see it, but it's good.
If anything,
Drop a comment.
drop a comment. Yeah. All right. So we're gonna put in number 1 first. Number 1 is going in. And that's all she went. You can see it right there. It's kind of harder in this ones because these are 2 different ones, but they work the same because we literally tested out this one. We turned on the car again just to make sure everything was running fine. So, and then you grab the second one.
One's from ECS, one's from Euro Tuning, right?
Oh yeah, one's from ECS and the other one's from Deutsche Auto Parts. Nando, show me the picture again. You just want to make sure that these are going in the right order, so take a picture. Red, brown.
Can you shut it?
Huh?
I don't think
That's the order, guys.
I don't think
It's gonna go red to the all the way to the left, brown. Then we got purple, and then we got another brown, but with the stripe.
I think they've seen it.
Alrighty.
Just a flash.
There goes the second one.
I see it shining
Shit.
from this angle.
Oh yeah. And then you said blue on the next one, right, Nando?
Yeah, blue, and then the other color's the last one.
Is the blue,
The blue?
like purple?
Yeah, the blue is always third.
And then it's the brown stripe.
You're doing good.
Stick it in. It's almost in all the way. Should go all. It should go in. Should all go in. If you have like a little pin to like make them go down even more, I would highly recommend it. But as long as you can see the little pins, and that's literally all I could push them in, should be fine.
Good?
Yeah. So now all we need to do is lock them.
So lock them. Tape it back up.
And tape it back up, yes. Where did I do that tool?
It's probably better too if you use this type of tape instead of electrical.
Yeah, we're just using electrical for the meantime.
I don't know if they can even see it. Yeah, you can see it.
So I just went for a test drive. Everything seemed really good. This is the final product with all the new core packs, new clips. It's not coming off. They're on there. But yeah, it's really doable. Probably the second time around it'll be faster. But yeah, just take your time. Make sure you don't rip a wire. But yeah, other than that, now she's ready to go.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
That's already recording.
Stupid.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Alright, so that's pretty much it for that bug over there. So, but our next video is gonna be, we're gonna be loading my boy Nando's Audi A3. But yeah, that's it for today's video though. And make sure you tune in for the next video when we're gonna lower his car, and make sure to like and subscribe.